Real estate strategies that could double your money in 2022. Want to double your money by the end of this year? With so many investment options available, real estate is one of the best investments that can double your money in a shorter period of time. You just have to take into consideration how much capital and time you are willing to invest. In today's video, we will go over 5 ways you could double your money this year by investing in real estate. So, if you're excited to start your real estate portfolio, let's get right into it. If you are new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications for more real estate tips. 1. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are known as one of the easiest ways to invest in real estate since they are traded through a brokerage account. Think of it as a traditional stock. They can be sold to regain liquidity, provide access to high-quality real estate assets without having to actually own or even manage the properties yourself. And best of all, they offer great dividends. Since these companies trade anywhere from $10 to hundreds of dollars, investors can purchase as much or as little as they wish, depending on their investing budget. Since there are over 200 different publicly traded REITs, it is very important to do your research and seek out the REITs that will give you the most growth. 2. Start wholesaling property. Wholesaling in real estate is an active investment strategy where you negotiate the purchase of a property that is off market with the property owner in order to get a discounted price. After you get the property you assign or wholesale the contract to a third-party buyer at a higher price, the difference between what you bought and what you sold will give you your overall profit. Many investors can net $10,000 or more from these kinds of investments, making it a super viable and profitable way to double your money. Many investors have been earning double-digit profits from wholesaling both property and mortgage notes. You do have to take into consideration marketing costs to potential sellers. This can range up to a few $1,000s, but the profits are completely worth it. 3. Buy rental properties. Rental properties are one of the most lucrative real estate investments. Not only do they provide an amazing gateway into passive income through rental cash flow, but they also come with a lot of tax advantages and the potential for appreciation. In 2021 alone, homes appreciated at 19% on average year to year. This is hardly close to doubling, but think about appreciation over 10, 20, or even 30 years. 4. Rehab a property. In today's hot real estate market, you don't have to do much to see an increase in a property's value. But if you do happen to buy a home that needs some repairing at a discounted price and make some improvements to add value, you can really see property values rise. You can easily double your money if you get into these properties with private capital or hard money loans. Though flipping real estate is not as easy as seen on many shows, but if you choose the right properties and flip them correctly, this can be a worthwhile way to invest in real estate. 5. Start investing. Okay, so money doesn't just double on its own. You actually have to put that money to work in order to see those $100 turn into $200. So the most important step in all of this is to just get started. Trust me, with enough time, investment will double themselves. Make sure you are also setting money aside to invest. This money should be apart from your retirement funds and should be money you don't necessarily need at the moment. If you want to diversify your portfolio and have the best of both worlds, you can look into IRA, Individual Retirement Account, which will allow you to invest in both real estate and your retirement account. If you have any questions or if you're interested in buying or selling a home, please call us. The Garcia team is always happy to help. See you next time.